Introduction to Ramp Credit Card Review. Ramp is a corporate credit card designed for businesses to manage their expenses and cash flow more efficiently. In this guide, we will walk you through the key features and benefits of the Ramp credit card and provide an in-depth review of its pros and cons. Key features of Ramp credit card. The Ramp credit card offers a number of features that make it an attractive option for businesses. These include unlimited rewards on all purchases, no fees of any kind, and high spending limits. The card also offers real-time expense tracking and automated expense reporting, which can help businesses save time and reduce errors. How Ramp credit card works. The Ramp credit card works like a traditional credit card, but with a number of additional features and benefits. To get started, businesses need to apply for the card and provide some basic information about their company. Once approved, they can start using the card to make purchases and earn rewards. Pros of Ramp credit card. The Ramp credit card has a number of pros that make it a great option for businesses. These include its unlimited rewards program, which allows businesses to earn rewards on all purchases with no rotating categories or spending limits. The card also has no fees of any kind, which can help businesses save money and reduce their expenses. Cons of Ramp credit card. While the Ramp credit card has a number of pros, it also has some cons that businesses should be aware of. These include its limited acceptance, as the card is only available to businesses and not to individuals. The card also has a high credit limit requirement, which can make it difficult for some businesses to get approved. Best practices for using Ramp credit card. To get the most out of the Ramp credit card, businesses should follow some best practices. These include using the card for all business purchases, which can help them earn rewards and track their expenses more efficiently. Businesses should also take advantage of the card's automated expense reporting feature, which can help them save time and reduce errors. Conclusion. The Ramp credit card is a great option for businesses that want to manage their expenses and cash flow more efficiently. With its unlimited rewards program, no fees, and high spending limits, the card offers a number of benefits that can help businesses save money and reduce their expenses. By following some best practices and being aware of the card's pros and cons, businesses can get the most out of the Ramp credit card and improve their overall financial management.